Welcome to Lakes. Today our Lakes service engineer is installing the Bergen Bifold and side panel from our Coastline collection. For ease and safety, we advise that 2 people assemble this product. Once you're ready to unbox the product, use a retractable knife with a blade no longer than the thickness of the cardboard, cutting around the edges as carton directs. Unpack the goods, ensuring that exposed glass edges or corners do not come in contact with any hard surfaces. Whilst precautions are taken in manufacture, care must be taken when handling, as rail edges may be sharp. Check that all listed parts and fittings have been included. In the unlikely case that you have damaged or missing parts, contact our customer service team. Before drilling into walls, check for cables and pipes and make sure that all surfaces are dry, clean and free from loose debris and dust. Lakes Coastline Bifold door and Coastline side panel are both fully reversible. The door is suitable for fitting with the hinge to the left or right hand of the enclosure. The following tools and suggested health and safety equipment will be required for the installation. Ensure the tray is correctly levelled and that all tray wall joints are sealed and cured over the entire length of the tray sides prior to fitting the enclosure. Do not seal base wall edges up to a fitted enclosure. During the installation, protect the shower surface at all times. We are starting with the wall profile orientation. The wall mounting holes need to be to the inside in the wet area. Next, measure, ensure plumb and mark the profile positions. Then drill, plug and affix both wall profiles. Fit the bifold door into the wall profile. Then carefully lift the side panel into the tray. Engage the corner profile onto the door frame. Manipulate the door and side panel in the wall corner profiles until plumb, checking the vertical and horizontal frame members with a spirit level and checking that the enclosure frame is parallel to the tray edges. With the door and side panel in the desired position, using the profile holes as a guide, drill 3mm pilot holes and affix the door and side panel frames to the wall profiles, with 4 3.5 by 10 self-tapping screws on each. Then, using the corner profile holes as a guide, drill 3mm pilot holes and affix the door to the side panel with 4 3.5 by 10 self-tapping screws. Noting orientation, fit the frame side seals. Feeding each seal down from the top, push fully down until in contact with the tray. Carry out the adjustment and check function of the door. Fit the corner post and wall profile cover sections. Align the top of the cover section with the top of the wall profile, then working down, snap the covers onto the cover clips, 5 per profile. Fit all the top caps to the profiles. Assemble the handle to the glass with the grub screws to the inside. Ensure the plastic washers are fitted each side beneath the handles. And finally, tighten the grub screws fully to retain. Use of a good quality silicone sealant and cleaning, degreasing of all joint areas is recommended. Apply a continuous silicone sealant bead externally only. After installation, do not wet the enclosure for at least 48 hours. This is to ensure a full cure of silicone sealant. Now your Bergen bifold door and side panel should be fully installed. For any further help or guidance, visit our website lakessshoweringspaces.com or call our installation and customer service team on 01684 853 870. Thank you for watching.